Hi guys and welcome back to It's Feather Trading Time. And in this video, it's about feathers, but it's not about tail feathers, front feathers, back feathers, breast feathers, or the belly feathers. It's about wing feathers today. So, in this video, I'm going to show you the wing feathers in my collection. So, let's start. And before we get started, make sure that you have to click on the like button, subscribe my channel, and click on the bell icon to get more updates from my new videos. So let's get started. So in this video, I'm going to show you the primary wing feathers and the secondary wing feathers of different birds. So let's start with the primary wing feathers first. So now I'll start with the primary wing feathers first. So the first feather is Odisha chicken feather. It's a Odisha chicken primary wing feather. This is a Odisha chicken primary wing feather. So it is. But I'm going to disappear this now. Yes. Now I show the next feather. Then the next feather is blue gold macaw primary wing feather. You see, there it's a very rare feather. This and it's extremely hard to find. Yes. Now I'll show you some more primary wing feathers. So I want to show you guys more. Yeah, I got one. Then the next feather is female coil primary wing feather. You see, this is a female coil primary wing feather. Yes, now I have to just show you guys more. So I'm just searching for some more primary wing feather. Then the next feather is kite primary wing feather. You see, it's a kite primary wing feather. Yes, but I have to just search for some more primary wing feathers and then I'll show you guys the primary. Yeah. Then the next feather is brown pigeon primary wing feather. It's extremely hard to find, but you can still find it mostly. Yes. Now I just showed you the primary wing feathers first. So now it's time to show the secondary wing feathers. So let's go with it. Then the first feather in the secondary wing feathers is Shikra feather. You see, this is a Shikra secondary wing feather. Yes. Now I've got even some more secondary wing feathers with me. Then the next feather is peahen secondary wing feather. Okay, now I will just show you guys some more. But we will search for some secondary wing feathers. Yeah, I got. Then the next feather is brown pigeon secondary wing feather. Yes. Now I'll just search for some more. So just searching. I'm just searching for some secondary wing feathers. Yes. Then the next feather is black-headed ibis, secondary wing feather. Yeah. Now I'll show some secondary wing feathers. Oh. Then the next feather is guinea fowl secondary wing feather. But as I've got some more of them, but I have to just search for them. Oh my gosh. Now I have to just search whether it's in the box or not. Huh. So I've got another guinea fowl secondary wing feather with us, you see. So let me make both of them disappear. I hope you will like the video. Share this with your friends, relatives, cousins, family, and neighbors, and or whoever you want it with. So, and if you have any confusion between birds, any other feathers, or anything, just tell me if you want, and I'll clarify your confusion. So, thanks for watching the video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. So if you want to watch my videos, you can go to YouTube and watch it in It's Feather Trading Time. So thanks for watching.